guys, welcome to our vlog. This is Ken. I'm with my husband Pao and our baby girl Amira, and we're on our way to Malagos Garden Resort.
Maganda lang dun sa hindi yung mainit dun eh.
Oh, lamig ng tubig, no?
Tsaka malilim.
We're going to Malagos. Kasi birthday ni Mami. Ay! May sunflower. Princess po kami dito. Hello! Ang cute naman ng baby. According to their website, Malagos Garden Resort is a 12-hectare garden resort located in Barangay Malagos, Baguio District, Davao City. So this is their entrance, and once you enter you can see their reception. The reception is very spacious and they have some artworks displayed. My first impression is that their staff is very friendly and approachable. So here are some of the artworks displayed, and just beside their reception they have a small koi pond, and after that we took some pictures in their Malagos Garden Resort, and we started to explore the place. We arrived a little early, so we decided to explore first their bird feeding dome before we head to the amphitheater for the bird show. And here you can have a photo shoot with the birds, and their rate is actually cheap. And here you can also feed the birds. There's a lot of bird species that you can see here, and Amira had a lot of fun.
Hello, sali ka? Aray! Lapit mo kay Amira. Mira, look! Bird! Hindi, makakainin niya.
Ibang klase asim na po.
Ayun, lumapit si Daddy. Ayun, apat. Diba? Ingay. Sino yun?
Wow! Bird ako. Bigyan kita, bird. itong nasa ilalim yung blue.
Hello! Pretty ka pa din. Wow. Hello! So just behind the bird feeding dome, you'll find the petting zoo, where you'll have the chance to bottle feed goats, grass fed the horses, and also feed the ducks. And here are the rates. After exploring the bird feeding dome and the petting zoo, we're now headed to the amphitheater for the bird show. Luckily, Malagos Garden Resort has a free shuttle. It took us to the amphitheater in no time, and it's very convenient since it's hot that time and we have a Mira and a stroller. So, yeah. That was a nice service.
Bird show. Malagos bird show with a little bird.
Here are some clips from the bird show. It was interactive, amusing, fun-filled, and we've learned a lot from it.
What the hell? Nagkakaroon.
Mabuhay Madayaw, my name is Mr. J. I'm actually one of your hosts in this 40-minute nature discovery experience. Our teacher birds are actually rescued and donated birds. Are we all ready to learn this morning?
Yeah!
Aba, napakahusay nga.
As you can see here, suot pa ni Daddy yung isa sa mga birds na nag-show ng talent.
Good job, Teacher Red. On this side naman, may nakitang dahon si Red. Sige, Red, is that biodegradable or non-biodegradable?
Ah, galing ni Red!
Ayan.
After the amazing bird show, we head down to their lunch buffet area at 11 a.m. And what amazed me is that there's a lot of food options that you'll get here. My favorite ones were the isaw, the pancit, and the very crunchy lechon belly. Everything was freshly made, everything was good, and we ate a lot during this lunch buffet. That's also because Amira was sleeping when we were eating. So after we ate, Amira woke up and we also feed her. Here are some of the food that you'll find on the lunch buffet. There's bread options. Also, we have nachos. There's a salad bar with a lot of sauces to choose from. There's also kimchi, and of course the dessert. There's a lot of them. You can also have a crab made for you, freshly made crab. And here's the crispy lechon belly that was really good. They have lots of options for rice. They have some vegetables also, chicken curry, beef pepper steak with mushroom, barbecue, sausage, and yeah, seafood. There's also, yeah, this pancit is really good, freshly cooked. They also have Alfredo, and here's Amira with some rice on her mouth. Amira also loved the food there. It was really worth it. It was actually really good compared to other buffet that we ate before. So paying only 999 pesos for all of our experience in Malagos, it was really worth it. So at 1 p.m. there's actually a show. It is the Falconry show that was after lunch. So we thought there's no other show aside from the bird show, but we were very wrong. There's actually a Falconry show, and it showed us how birds help humans to hunt. It was also very educational and fun since they had this show in an open field, so you can really see how the birds glide on air. So after the Falconry show, we continued exploring the resort, and our first stop was the chocolate museum. And what we found there was history of chocolate, some displays on how chocolate is made. There's this very interactive like audio that you can listen to, and we had Amira listen to it, even though she doesn't understand. Yeah, there's a lot of chocolate labels, packaging displayed, and we also found there some toys for kids to play with. So it's child friendly, and I believe kids will love the place. And once we left the museum, we found this musical instruments in a gazebo, and we had a mirror play the drums. There's also a gong. I'm not sure if we call it a gong. And there's this large sungka around, and the painting of Wangod and a native. Not sure what's the tribe on the background. And of course the large fan. We cannot forget the large fan. And after that, we headed to the butterfly sanctuary. I thought that we can see here a couple of butterflies, like two or three, but no, there's a lot of butterflies inside the butterfly sanctuary. There's a lot of things that you can do inside Malagos Garden Resort, and if we don't have a baby around, I think we could have done a lot more. But since it's hot, we cannot risk Amira under the sun for a long time, so we decided to end the tour at around 2 p.m. maybe, and we head to the Pasalubong Center, I think, of Malagos Garden Resort, and here are some of the products that they sell there. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our vlog. See you in the next one. Bye!